Hey guys, Harry here, and this is the last video on if and else. Hopefully you guys are enjoying my video, and because I'm trying to make it more easy and more simple as possible, because see, your job is to do your research and to build your own what you call that the level of your programming, right? So my job is to give you the information and help you to build your foundation, right? So let's start with the third algorithm, which we're gonna build with the help of if and else, right? So if I say number, right, number, let's say like float, right, and I'll use an input. It will be very easy, man. It will like 2 minutes for this one, right? So input, right, and like say enter your number. I'm just gonna check whether it's a positive or negative, right? So let's say if number greater than 0, print the number is positive, right? Elf number less than 0, then print the number is negative, right? Else print the number is 0. Okay guys, very easy. So now you can see, please enter number. If I say like 24, right, and that will say like your number is positive, right? If I say like minus 50, right, that will give a number is negative. And if I say like 0, that will say that your number is 0, right? So now you can see it's very easy. Like I will put any number, right? There we go, number is positive. And like any negative number, right, there you go, number is negative and 0. And let me do some testing. So you want to find some bug, there we go. Now you can see over here. So now you can see over here, could not convert string to float, right? So if I say this dot this minus this dot this, here you go, could not convert string to float. So for this one, we're gonna use a try and expect, right? So that is the purpose of making this video, right? So I'm gonna use a try and expect. I will say try, right, and try and accept, right? So I will fix the indentation, right? This is our try, and I will say accept, right? Accept value error, right? And I will say print, because those kind of thing we cannot counter, you know, like those are the debugging, right? I will say invalid input, invalid input, right? Now I will say okay, positive number, that's fine, sorry. And if we go for negative number, that's fine, right? If I put a 0, that's fine. But now I put something like this and put a minus symbol over here and put something like this, right? Now let's say invalid input. So this is the how you can counter this, right? Try and accept, right? So there's a try, accept, and final also. So next time I will show you how we can use try, accept, and final, and after that we're gonna move into the for loop, right? Cheers guys, I'll see you next time, right? Thank you so much.